If you are on the hunt for a lunch bag that's practical, not too big, and actually works for everyday use, then this expandable insulated lunch bag from GLENKEY is the perfect find. Hey guys, I'm Rebecca WTI, and I actually wanted to get this for my husband because he needed something practical for work that could hold everything, stay organized, and still be easy to carry every day. It gives you extra space when you need it, which is perfect for days when you pack more snacks, drinks, or even a full meal prep. It also comes with multiple compartments, so everything stays organized instead of turning into one big mess inside the bag. It's also insulated and leak-proof, which gives me so much peace of mind because I wanted something that keeps food fresh and avoids any spills. It feels sturdy and built to last. It has a large capacity even after I put my lunch in there. There's still so much room. Another thing that I like is how comfortable it is to carry. The handles and strap make it so easy to carry even when it's full, and it still keeps a clean, simple look without feeling bulky or awkward. And it's also super stylish, and that's my point of view.